Let's make a coffee with my homemade caramel sauce that I just whooped up. We're gonna grab our little jar. I'll make an iced coffee, so we're gonna first add our caramel on the sides, drizzling on the sides. I think that's enough. It's not the cutest, but it's gonna be so good. We're gonna put a little bit of the caramel sauce on the ice. We're gonna add our milk first and our coffee. Then I'm gonna also make a little cold foam on top here. I did 2 pumps of the vanilla, half a cup of heavy whipping cream. Blend that up. Let's pour it in here. A moment for the drink. A moment. Taste test.